Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up for about an hour and 20 minutes, but there's some potentially interesting pre-market activity out there and maybe some trades, including on CGC here. So I'm keeping an eye on this one. I may do, like I said, some pre-market trading on it. If I do, I'll get the video rolling at that time. And yeah, we'll capture some pre-market trading. Have an order at $59.49. I'm doing all sorts of other customer service stuff, so I'm not paying close attention, but point being, I may not capture the entry point on video, but I at least want to get it documented. So $59.49 opening position with 500 shares. Have an order at $58.51. CGC looking to buy the dip here. Oh, come on. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm in there. We'll look to pick up some more if possible, if it wants to keep on dipping, but if it wants to bounce, then I'll take right around $70. So I am in, like I said, and I will keep you updated. Making a move to the upwards direction here. Looks like I'm on the best offer, so we'll see if it can take me out or not. And I am out. Sorry, my wife just came in, but right there, $70, like I said, and I don't know what was that, 30-ish seconds. So market that still doesn't open up for about 45 minutes. So a quick little pre-market trade there. I would be interested to try this all over again, with the first entry point being at 58.37. So if it breaks down through there, I'll get the video rolling again. All right, broke through 58.50, have an order at 58.30. Will it get down there? I don't know. Right now it's looking like there's a chance of it. Let's see, market opens up in 37 minutes, so still quite a bit of pre-market trading left. So that green line there represents the 58.30 entry point. But as you see, it's stalling up here at about 58.40, so not sure if it's going to be able to push down through or not. I will pause it for now and keep you updated. Well, never mind now, that quick back up to 58.70s, so that was quite the quick bounce, as you see. Move in, so yeah, what a bounce. Actually, I might even be interested in potentially now putting in a short order. What is that? I think I am 59.10 short. So if it wants to keep this big move to the upside direction, I would be interested in potentially going short. All right, making a move here. I changed that order to 59.15. Well, this thing's looking actually pretty strong, so I'm going to go to 59.20. So represented by that green line right there. What a bounce though. 59.20. We'll see if it can move up there. I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, 59.30 is where I've moved it up to, and it was getting close for a second there, but seems to have calmed down a bit. Okay, sorry, I missed it. I am in. So if it wants to give me a $50 move, I'll take it. If it wants to allow me to build some more, then I'll be happy with that. So again, in at 59.30. I will keep you updated. All right, making a move down, kind of. Some good size at 59.24 there. But if 59.24 fails, I could see it moving down to 59.20 pretty quick. So I will do my best to capture any sort of enter or exit point. Well, looking like I might be able to build some more here. Or not. Kind of all over the place as you can see. So I'll keep you posted. All right, moving down and out. And good. Caught it on video too. So there's another $50 pickup right there. I do want to get my next order into play. 59.49. Let's see, market opens up here in 23 minutes. So still some more potential for a pre-market trade. I'll keep you posted. All right, 59.49, looking like it could be in play here. It's definitely within striking distance now. I will keep you updated. All right, quite the fall here. Keeping an eye on it, thinking about potentially hopping in. But want to see if this thing wants to settle down or if this big pullback's going to continue. But yeah, don't think I need to say much more. That was quite the nasty little pullback there, and all of a sudden 2 minutes. So I'll go ahead and get rid of that order since that seems to be not really in play anymore. I will keep an eye on it, not going to throw in anything quite yet. Market is now officially open, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I have an order at 58.37. Actually, I need to do this. That's a huge order I just saw right there. 58.51. Although it is now starting to bounce. So maybe that time has sailed. But I'm not going to give up on it quite yet. So 58.51 is where I have a current order at. I will keep you, well, starting to move down now. Yep, starting to move down. Okay, I'm in. Looking like I'll be able to pick up some more shares here. 57.85, 57.75. That obviously was not the best entry point, so I'll change that to 58.55. But yeah, let's see if this thing wants to break down through 58 now. There we go. I'm going to try for some up at 58.012. Oh, come on. All right. I have 80 shares left. So let's just see if I can get rid of those. So 58.55, got rid of those. So not the best trade there, but was still a profitable trade nonetheless. I have an order at 59.15. Got those for my opening 500 shares, but I will take $50 if it wants to give me the quick $50 bill, which it did. So let's go now to 59.35. So 59.35, next entry point. Actually, I should not be at 35. Let's go up to 59.47. So yeah, this one is all over the place. I will keep you updated. Okay, I have an order at 57.51 on this new current pullback. So I got those. And like last time, try to build and get some more, which it looks like may be happening here. That if it hits that green line there, that represents, oh, come, goodness, now 48 shares. There we go. This thing's a little tricky today. Second time where it just wouldn't give me all my shares. So interesting, but I need to stop talking, get my next order in at 56.75. So again, new order in at 56.75. Let's see if it can break down through 57. And it's looking like it might want to make the move, but definitely some buyers here around 57.20-ish area. So I will pause for now. All right, got the break there, and I'm in for my initial allotment at 56.75. If it wants to give me 15 cents, then I will take those. All right, looks like I'm getting a little too greedy. So let's do 56.85. Oh, okay, I need a less talking. 55.80. Whoops. 55.85. So my average is now at 56.45. So now if the price goes up there and hits that green line, that implies, oh, okay, I'm all out. Okay, all right. Got in again at 55.85. Let's do 55.27 now, just double checking. Okay, so 55.27 is the next order. That one 55.85 that I put out there, that one got filled, so that's where that next trade came from. But yeah, this is some Clay, why aren't you shorting it right now? Well, if I had hindsight in my favor, I would have shorted it, but the point here is that this thing is getting quite overextended to the downside. But yeah, no, I'm with you. That's why my hindsight trading account is worth billions of dollars. So if you are wondering, why don't you just short it? Keep in mind you are making that wonderment now with full hindsight in your favor. But next level down there, like I said, at 55.27. So we'll see if this thing wants to keep bleeding, then I'm still going to be interested in it. Okay, I have an order at 57.65 here to go short. So this would be my introductory short order. We'll see if it can move up there. It's trying. Okay, looking to pick up some shares at 55.25 here. I got those. And I am out. Let's go to 54.75 now for my next allotment. So if it breaks down through 55, actually that's a silly entry point. Shame on me for not being more observant. 54.60 is where I want to be. I will keep you updated. Whoops, let's see. Okay, I'm out there. I turned my back for 2 seconds and I was filled again. But that's the good thing about when you actually get proper entry points. You can almost be not paying attention, and then when you come back, you'll still be sitting pretty. Just double checking. 54.25 is my next order. So there we are, 585, and we're not even 20 minutes into the day. So yeah, I'm very happy with this action, and we'll see if we can get some more. Again, next order at 54.25. All right, looking like, got within 6 cents. So let's go to 54.01 now. As you saw, it's at 54.25, but the lowest it got now was 54.30. So close, but not good enough. So we'll go down to 54.01, see if it wants to get down there. All right, I turned my back for 2 seconds and got the, let me just focus here. Oh, wow, all right. And I was, the price fell apart on me again, as you see right here. So looking like I'll be able to get a position here. Nice, gonna be able to build up some good size. Although it's looking like it's trying to bounce. So if we can get up there in the 40s, that's going to be the key area. Okay, all out there. Now at 835. So nice bounce. Let me build some size. But yeah, like I said, this one is just crazy. Turned my back, and that first order at 54.01 was filled. And then before I knew it, but I got to stop talking. If this thing wants to keep pulling back, then 51.55 is going to be my next first entry point. So just double checking. So yeah, I'll maybe this thing will plunge again, but I'll do, wow, we're at that's all right, 16 minutes. A lot of good action here caught. I will keep you, do my best. I apologize though for not getting some of these entry points, but well, looking like we may be ready to play ball here again. I'll watch it closer. Well, it is bouncing now, so looking like that'll probably be it. But I've lost count of how many trades I've actually captured here now. But anyways, I'm going to wrap things up as we're going on over 17 minutes. If you enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. And that, just like I said, lets me know that, hey, yeah, I'll keep spending my time doing this. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, in the chat room that I do offer, and you also get a newsletter, go to claytrader.com. That is called the Inner Circle, and it's $99 per month, or excuse me, not per month, per year, I was going to say, if you do the math per month, it breaks down to $8.25. And if you do the math and break it down to a per week cost, it's literally $1.90 per week. So, I mean, as I always say, a situation where I'm very confident saying that over the time span of 12 months, I'm more than confident you're going to get at least $99 worth of value. Finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and such, I do offer video training courses on that, again, at claytrader.com. You can go there and see all the different offerings that I have. But even if you never spend a dime, easiest way to, just let me know. Yeah, please keep making these videos. Like I said, is to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. But I'd highly recommend you check out the chat room. A lot of good traders, a ton of people doing very well today on CGC with all the alerts and such. But yeah, hopefully you decide to give us a try. But if not, like I said, click that like button. I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.